Hulyong yan yung banwa inyang nilansad na ng provincial government ng Pampanga yung programa para karing micro and small enterprises o MSEs. Apin in Pampanga Loan Assistance Program, amegi muna man posible kapamilatan ng Pampanga Chamber of Commerce o PAMCHAM at Department of Trade and Industry o DTI. Nasa naniti makasahap ka rin mga lating negosyante bang musbuong inkarelang negosyo. Migsadya yung 40 million pesos ng kapitolyo para ka rin benepisyaryo. Malyaring manutang hanggang kapit ng milyong pesos pamuhunan ang pong expansion ng karelang kabiyayan.
It's a good program and hopefully po madami tayong ma-entice to avail of the program. Pero po syempre po, eligible na dapat po kitang requirements ng program. Alam mo po, nung ninulinapit DTI, kayong Pisedo, tatanggapan na po. Stringent dyan muli po itang requirements kasi mag-BI lang pa po ng Kapitolyo. Kami naman po paper kami mo. We do not endorse, we're just making referral to the provincial government.
May gumpisalak nuking apulo ring megaville king may sabing programa. O neng as of October 9 at yun nalaking 82 ring may proseso.
Out of the 82, 25 pa lang yung na-approve and then ongoing po ang pagsisiyay ng Pisedo together with the provincial government to cover all those kasi very tedious po yung process because they want to be sure na talagang makakarating sa kaparoroonan talaga yung intention ng programa. And the provincial government, of course, promised to fund this for at least the next 2 years.
Makabuklat siya yung programa karing retailer man, king manufacturing, service o liwa pa. Ganaganang sektor, qualified ka nung mag-avail ka niti.
Ang eligible beneficiaries, they'll be coming from the micro and small. So pag 3 million below ang capital mo, pasok ka. 3 million to 15M as small, pasok ka din sa program.
Samantala, malyari ang bayaran ng loan, kilob na ng 6 to 24 months at atin pang 2 months a grace period. Nasa na muna man nini aiwasan ng pamanutan na ring MSEs karing sobrang mamye patubo. Liana Canilaw, CLTV 36 News.